Ever wondered how that delicious chocolate bar made its way from a humble seed to your taste buds? It's not like cocoa trees just magically produce chocolate bars overnight. Here in Dr. Wonder TV, I'll try to answer all the things you've ever wondered. Let's embark on a sweet journey from bean to bar. It all starts with the cocoa tree, which grows in tropical regions, mainly in countries near the equator, like West Africa, South America, and Southeast Asia. From seed to harvest, it can take about 3 to 5 years for a cocoa tree to produce its first fruits. These fruits, called cocoa pods, are essentially nature's candy wrappers. Inside each pod are the cocoa beans, which are the real stars of the show. Here's the process. Step 1. Harvesting. The cocoa pod changes color as it ripens, going from green to vibrant yellow, orange, or red, depending on the variety. When the pods are ripe and ready for harvest, they make a hollow sound when tapped. That's the signal for farmers to start harvesting, and inside those colorful pods, that's where the cocoa beans hide, waiting to be turned into chocolatey goodness. Step 2. Fermentation and drying. Those beans need to undergo a little fermentation party. They're left to sit in the sun, fermenting in their own sweat, so to speak. This step is crucial because it develops those rich chocolatey flavors we love. After fermentation, the beans are dried out, ready for the next stage. Step 3. Roasting. The beans are roasted to bring out their full flavor. This is where the magic happens. The roasting process gives cocoa its characteristic chocolate taste. It's kind of like giving beans a spa day. They come out looking and tasting a whole lot better. Step 4. Grinding. Once roasted, the beans are ground into a paste called cocoa mass or cocoa liquor. No alcohol, I promise. This paste contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. It's like the chocolatey goo that will soon become your favorite treat. Step 5. Mixing and conching. Here's where things get sweet. Cocoa mass is mixed with sugar, milk, for milk chocolate, and sometimes vanilla. This mixture is then conched, a process where it's continuously mixed and heated to smooth out the texture. Step 6. Tempering and molding. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, a fancy way of saying it's carefully cooled and heated to get that perfect snap when you break it. After tempering, it's poured into molds to set into bars or other shapes. And just like that, chocolate is born. So next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember, it's the result of a lot of work from farmers to chocolatiers. They're the real heroes behind your sweet escape. So there you have it, the sweet journey of how a cocoa bean transforms into the chocolate you crave. Got more tasty questions? Stick around on Dr. Wonder TV, where we unwrap the stories behind the things you love.